Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. In this tutorial, we explore how Blend If helps remove background without using selection tools. Start by placing your subject on a top of contrasting background, open layer style and move straight to the Blend If control. Drag the white highlights slider under underlying layer to the left. You will see the bright areas of the background shine through the upper image. This is perfect for making transparent overlays or light paste effect. Now hold Alt to split the slider and achieve a smooth fade. Continue adjusting until your background blends naturally with your subject. You can use the same technique to blend fog, smoke, fire, or light rays. Many editors